Hello everyone, welcome to RPA Learners, and in this video we're going to see how to check and get the list items from a list box in a web page using Robocorp. And in this task we are going mainly using these two keywords, which is does space contain list and also the get list items keyword. For both of them, locator is the main argument which takes the element locator which we are going to get the list items from the web page. And you need to pass that particular locator, and let's go ahead and see the input that we are going to use in this task. And this is the web page that we're going to use in this task, and this is the list items that we're going to get from the this web page, and also we're going to check whether it is present or not here. So let's go ahead and see the code. And if you are following along all the videos, you may be knowing that we have 4 stages in the robot in Robocorp, which is settings and keywords, variables and tasks. In the settings we need to indicate the library which we are going to use, and the library is browser.selenium that we are using here. And the variables, we have one variable which is the URL of the web page, and the keywords, we have 3 different keywords. One is for the opening the browser, which will open the browser. We are using open available browser keyword, and we passed the URL, and also we are going to maximize it, and we also given the name for the browser. And the second one is checking web page contains a list. Here we're using the keyword which does space contain list, and we passed a locator where it need to check this locator is present in the web page or not, and we are storing a boolean value in list item exists here. This is the variable that we're going to store the value. And the third keyword is getting list items, and we are storing it in the list items array, and we used the get list items keyword and the name of the locator, which is continents. And let me show you where I got the name continents. If you go ahead and inspect this, and when you inspect this, and we're gonna see, and if you indicate here in the Asia, right, let me indicate that again. Yes, and if you see here, it says name continent, so we're gonna get this particular value. We're checking whether it is present or not, and then we're getting the values from it. And if you go here, and we are getting all those details in the list items. After that we need to perform those tasks, and we have getting list items from a web page, and here we are opening the browser and then checking whether the web page contains list or not, and then getting the items, list items from it. So let's go ahead and execute it and see whether it is working or not. Let's go ahead and execute it. First it need to load the web page, and then it need to check whether the browser or the web page has that particular list item, and after that it will extract those details and save it in the list items. And if you see here, it is completed. Let's go ahead and see it in the log file, where let's refresh it, and if you see here, it says open the browser and checking the web contains list, and in this keyword it says true because the list item is present, and getting the list items. In the keyword, if you see here, we got all the elements from the list, it's Asia and then to Antarctica. Let's go ahead and see whether those are the last elements or not. The first one is the Asia and the last one is Antarctica, and so we got all the details from on the web page. And the list items, we can use it further when we are selecting the values from the list, where you don't know what are the values that the list has, or whether we need to check that particular list item exists or not. We can use these 2 keywords and perform those actions. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.